Welcome, dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to install Python 3.6 in Windows 10. Just start with the menu. Go to the google.com and search for the Python. Just here, the Python all release you have received 3.96. Just download the button and you will see that I have already downloaded this file. So open it and install. Just you can see here, you can also change the path also of this plan, but I'm not changing the path, just installing the same path. Just customize the installation. Just I'm in using all the just documentation pip file IDLA with Python site and all the things. Okay. Then press next. Install all user Python environment as well and make it install. See the progress has been endless. Setup is now in progress. So just install Python 3.96 on Windows 10. Just I'm installing. Okay, the setup was successful. Okay, close the button. Then we will see now either our Python has installed or not. Just go to CMD and just write here py minus version. Check, see here 3.96 version installed. Now we'll check again to run Python py and just we will print something like print bracket double screw and right here this is my channel Hack7. Look that the print has been shown. Okay, just close the button and now we are going to IDLA Python 64-bit. Just here you see the IDLA screen has been opened. Now you can write here code of Python whatever you want to execute, just like that. I'm showing you. This is channel Hack7 and see the column should be here and just print. This is like that. Here you can write all the Python's code to execute whatever you want. Okay, dear friends, this is our Hack7. So if you want to know more about the Python, just comment me and please subscribe as well as like the channel. Thank you.